Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Laura Wilkie with Down Home with Lemon Pie, and today we're gonna make elderberry syrup. Alright guys, this is something that we make every year, especially in fall and winter seasons, just to kind of boost our immunity. I use this to treat cold and flu symptoms in my own kids and in myself and our family. So I just wanted to share the recipe with you guys. You can click the link below to get the written recipe where you can print it and learn all about it and its benefits. But right now I'm just going to share with you guys the video of how we make it. All right, so for this recipe, you're going to need about 3.5 to 4 cups of water, 2/3 cup dried black elderberries. I actually get these off of Amazon, and this one bag will go very far. It'll make several batches of elderberry syrup for your family, so you probably won't need to buy more than one a season. And if you buy them out of season, they're actually cheaper. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1 cup of raw honey. Make sure you get the raw so that it has those natural immunity boosters. All right, now guys, we're gonna pour in our water into a big, large pot. We're gonna go ahead and add our elderberries and all of the seasonings except the honey. We're gonna save that for the very end. All right, guys, we're gonna bring this up to a boil. Right when it starts to boil, we are going to reduce the heat. We're gonna add a lid and just let it simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour, or until the liquid is about reduced by half. Now that it's been about 45 minutes, I've turned off the heat and it has started to cool enough for me to be able to handle it. I'm going to place a bowl into my sink, and then I'm going to put this strainer in here as well. This is one with a tiny hole so the elderberries will be caught. And I'm going to pour it into this so that the liquid will go to the bottom bowl, and of course the elderberries will stay on top. Now I'm just going to mash these a little bit to just kind of get out every last bit of juice that I can, all of those healing properties that I want to hold on to. So I'm just squishing them right through the holes here. And these elderberries will actually be discarded or thrown in your compost or whatever you want to do with them, but we don't need them any longer after this step. I always like to store our elderberry syrup in a mason jar, and I use one of the canning funnels with the wide mouth to help me get it in there, and I just pour it straight in. Now it is not going to fill up my whole jar. That's where the honey comes in. This is like the spaghetti sauce size jar, and I'm going to just make sure I get all that liquid, and you'll be able to see it's only about a little bit more than half full. as you can see here. And the rest of the way I am going to pour honey. So the rest of this jar is going to be filled up to the brim with just the honey. So this is actually going to naturally separate. While it's still hot, I'm going to shake it all together so that it is well mixed. But then I'm going to put a lid on it and store it in my refrigerator. And every time that we want to use it, it will have separated a little bit again. So I will need to shake it up every time that we are ready to serve this. When you serve it, you're going to want to do about 1 to 2 teaspoons as needed. As symptoms arise, we take it just as often as needed throughout the day, and also if we are exposed to other people who may be sick.